If you are a fan of the classic Porsche, this is the car for you. Why don't we do a quick little history lesson? I won't take up very much of your time. What is a 356? When they came out, the Sportsters were to be the fast, fun car for Porsche. You had two options. One had 1500cc, or you could spend a little more and get the 356S. 1600cc. What is the difference? 60 horsepower, 70 horsepower, drum brakes. Yay! I know I'm going to get some flack for that, but that is it. Now, you have a real one, okay? Baseline on those cars, if it's restored properly, is at 200,000, goes up to 500,000. So let's say yours is medium of the road. So you have a $300,000 car and you want to drive it. What is your monthly insurance on a car you're driving at $300,000? You got it. You might as well be making a house payment. This is the option. This is it. This is a tribute car. It is based on a 1957 Pan. It is titled as a 57. It is not titled as a kit car. That is a huge plus. Huge. Now, everything on the car is proper and it is correct, except for when we come to the performance. I am talking a 2110cc. 2110cc baseline is 142 horsepower. That is double the horsepower of the 356S. And this is not stock. Add a pair of Dellorto carburetors, performance exhaust, and to make sure you get the power to the ground, how about a brand new pair of 912 Porsche axles? You want the handling package. It has the complete RS rear end in the car. And you got the power. Now we have to stop. Four-wheel disc. This car will eat any original 356 without even sweating. Unbelievable power, performance, easy to drive. Here's a huge plus for you. The original 356s are a 4-speed. This has an extremely rare 5-speed. Nice car. Drives, it handles, it performs, it has all the look that you are looking for. I want you to come down here. I want you to look at this car. Once you do, I'll guarantee you, you're going to take it home. Now, my name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. Let's get to this absolutely gorgeous 356.
This switch is for your power door locks.
I told you she was beautiful, didn't I? Absolutely. I would be proud to have this in my garage. It is so much fun to drive. The 2110 has so much power, it's effortless on the highway. You have the 5-speed cruising downtown is easy. It has all the things you need to have fun with a car. This is it. Now, I still know you're going to have tons of questions. Feel free to give me a call. My name is Sean. This is Panther Road Classics. We're located in Edmonds, Washington. Follow us on Facebook and YouTube. My website is pantherroadclassics.com. Thank you for watching. I'll see you at our next video.